Hello students, today we will learn about the English grammar of class 3. Already we have started parts of speech in the first term and we have completed till adjective. Today we will learn about adverb. Adverb মানে কি সেটা আজ আমরা শিখবো, জানবো এবং কিছু ইমপ্লিমেন্টেশন করব। So what is adverb? Adverb মানে বিশেষের বিশেষণ বা ক্রিয়া বিশেষণ। Before we learn adverb, we have to first clear it. What is adjective? Adjective means a describing word. And what is verb? Verb means the doing word. Now, before adverb, we will learn about the two words. That is modify and another is modifying word. Modifying means বিশেষ করে বলে এবং modifying word মানে বিশেষ করে বলে এমন শব্দ। Now, modifying word ke another English word আমরা বলি adverb. যেরকম আমরা adjective ke বলি describing word, verb ke boli doing word. Like that only we say modified word ke adverb. Now, adverb বোঝার জন্য আমরা we are taking the help of three sentences. So, he walks slowly. He is a very intelligent boy. And the third one, he walks very slowly. So, in the first sentence, look, walks. Which parts of speech is this? Yes, it is verb. It is verb. Now, verb can modify hoche slowly. So, slowly is a modifying word. Meaning, how he walks. He walks slowly. So, this slowly is a modifying word. So, slowly is a modifying word which modifies the verb, that is verb. Now, see the second sentence. He is a very intelligent boy. Here, what is intelligent? Which parts of speech is this? So, intelligence is adjective. And very modify the word adjective. How much intelligent? Very intelligent. So, very modifies hoche intelligent boy. Now, see the next one. He walks very slowly. Here, this is more like the first one, but here it is very slowly. এখানে slowly টা আমরা প্রথমবারে পেয়েছি it's an adverb, modifying word. Now, in the third one, very slowly. এখানে how slowly? It's very slowly. He walks very slowly. From the above three sentences, we say slowly, very and again very, which are modifying word, that is adverb, which modifies in the first sentence walks, that is verb. In the second sentence, that is intelligence, that is adjective. And in the third one, slowly, which is another adverb or another modifying word in this sentence. So what we get? What is adverb? So adverb is a word which modifies a verb or an adjective or another adverb of a sentence. So you have to learn the definition of adverb and then we have to do some grammar part which we get in our grammar book. আমরা why based question ও পড়ি, যেরকম একটা দেখো एग्जांपल আমি দিয়েছি, the horse ran dash. So put an adverb and say why it is called so. Can you give me the answer? What can we put in this blank? So yes, it's fast. The horse runs fast. We know everybody that the horse runs fast. So why fast is an adverb? Fast is an adverb because it modifies the verb runs in the sentence. So ঠিক এইভাবে আমরা adverb এর why based answer implement করে দেখব। এবং তোমরা বাড়িতে অনেক প্র্যাকটিস করবে। Pick out the adverb, why it is called adverb, বা pick out the parts of speech here and why this parts of speech is called so. ঠিক এরকম ভাবে আমাদের কোশ্চেনেরও অ্যানসার আসে, এরকম আরো তোমরা পাবে। You will get many examples like that only in your PDF part. So practice in your house and this much for the adverb. Thank you. Stay well, stay safe.